Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video on Node JS tutorial for beginner course. And in this video, we are going to see the difference between a where and let keyword. In the last video, we have seen how to declare, define and assign a value to a variable using a where keyword. So now we are going to see what exactly is a let keyword. So the let keyword is also used to declare a variable, and this let comes into picture during ES6 release of JavaScript. So let's see the difference between the where and let so that you can use the where and let keyword in an appropriate place and without missing the things. So when you use a variable, when you declare a variable with a where keyword, it has global and function scope. And if you declare a variable with a let keyword, it has a global but it has a block scope. So what exactly is that? So let's see. I'm going to create a variable with a where keyword. Let's say where x is equal to something hello. Let's print that out. Let me execute this JavaScript. So if you see here, I print the word hello, and if I replace that with a keyword let, and if you see the behavior, it still print the word hello, because when it comes to global, this where and let have a same behavior, but when it comes to function, there is a difference between the where and let. So let me define a function. Let's say the function, and the name of the function is something called test. And here I'm going to create a variable x, and I'm going to assign a value hello, and let's print that out. So I need to call this function so that this function will be called. So if I execute the where, I print the hello, and I have declared variable x with a where keyword. So if I replace the where with a let, and if I execute the same function again, it still print the word hello. So where does the difference comes? So let me show you exactly where the difference comes into picture between the where and let. So let's say where x is equal to something 1, and inside the block, inside the if statement, I am checking the condition whether x equal to 1 or not. If it equals to 1, I'm going to create another variable with a same variable name x, and I'm going to assign a string value to it. And outside the if statement, I'm going to print the variable x. Now execute this function and see the behavior. It print the word hello, because when it comes to the 7th line, the variable x is assigned to 1, and inside the if statement, it's just checking the condition whether this x is equal to 1 or not. Since it is equal to 1, it enter into this if statement block, and here this variable was reassigned to the string value hello. And when it comes out of the if statement, it still holds this value, and that's why you are printing a word hello here. So if I replace the where with a let keyword, and if I execute the same code, then you can see that it print the value 1 instead of hello, because the let variable has a block level scope. So when it comes out of this if statement block, the x value get destroyed and it get reinitiated from this x. So this block level scope can be anything. It can be if statement, or it can be a for loop, or it can be a while loop, or it can be a switch statement, or it can be a function inside a function, that is a nested function. So whenever you are using a block and inside the block, if you use the let keyword, and the scope of this variable will get destroyed when it comes out of this block. But the scope will not get destroyed if you initiate or if you declare a variable with a var keyword. So once you understand this concept, you can go ahead and use var and let at appropriate place. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.